Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me. My name is Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. All right, everyone, so this is what we're doing today. Now, I know that we all love glam, and some of us, we are extremely obsessed with bling, okay? But a lot of people think that my house is just like really, really blinged out. And also like my studio area, it's really not. I like to keep things with a balance. So I want to show you some simple things that I do to kind of keep like my glam decor balanced. So this is like a very, very simple centerpiece. And if you have like a, not very good with like floral arrangements, this is something that you probably want to end up watching. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is going to be very simple. All of your material, I mean, everything is going to be from the Dollar Tree. But this one thing, I always have something, you guys. This one is already made. And if you've been following me for quite some time, it has like that bling on there. It's already like this. I did not just do this. This has been like this for about, I can say for a good little while, probably almost 2 years. So I'm going to do one in this one for us that do want a little hit of glam. And I'm also going to do one with this flute cylinder vase as well. And this stuff can be picked up at the Dollar Tree, everyone. You can get your, your rocks and everything at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go over the material that you're going to need. Now, first, you're going to need this. Now, I have a habit of like cleaning off my rocks because when you're placing rocks inside, like with like decor pieces, especially with like clear vases and stuff, have you ever noticed it kind of picks up like this dust? So sometimes I kind of rinse them off first with like some warm water, and then I, kind of, pat them dry. That's just what I do. I've just learned that over the years. So, that's your option to do or not. So we're going to go ahead on and get started in this DIY for today. It's very, very simple. So just know I'm going to, insert in some clips and stuff that you're going to need where you can find it at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started.
Now, the first thing that you're going to do is clean the inside of your vase using rubbing alcohol. Now, we're going to make sure that we take all of our stones and we're going to place them in 8.5-inch styrofoam cups, which you can get from your local Dollar Tree. Now, I'm placing in my white stones. I did 2 cups. And now what I'm going to do for you guys is place in the second cup of the white stones. There you go. And I'm just going to shake it for y'all so you can see it. It looks very nice. I do not have to use a rubber band or anything for measurement. That's what our cup is for. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use the black stones right now. Here you go. And I'm going to place them in very carefully because these are heavy. So this is what it looks like. And make sure that you are very careful. I do have something that I'm holding it with. Now, when it comes down to the multicolored stones, I am hesitating. Yes, I am, because the reason why I'm doing that, because I don't know if I'm going to place in like the whole entire cup, but I didn't, but I am going to do it on the second round. So this is what it looks like. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to let you all see that a little bit closer. This is beautiful just the way it is. I like that. So let's move on. So now that we use the one that is already decorated, we're just going to transfer over our white stones. That's all we're going to do. But remember to repeat the steps if whichever look you're going with. So here you go, up close view. Very pretty, and it matches that pearl on the front. That's gorgeous. So now we're going to add in our black stones. Remember to be very careful with those black stones because they are heavy. Now what I'm going to do is place that down, everyone, because it's getting heavy since the girl's getting tired. And I'm just going to go ahead on and place in these multicolored stones. I wasn't sure, but I'm going to go ahead on and do it. Place in the whole entire cup. So that's what I did. So you're going to make sure that all your cups are full. I'm going to smooth it around and just make sure it's balanced. And this is what it looks like. I think that it is very gorgeous. It's not over the top. It's just the way I want it. This is beautiful. So let's get on to the next one.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is the floral arrangement. This is going to be so simple. A lot of you guys reach out to me, and I'm going to tell you something to do that's going to be so simple. Last year, during my birthday month, my brother and my sister gave me a gift card to Michael's. Y'all probably already know what place it is. Some of you already know because I used to be on Snapchat, but I'm not on Snapchat anymore. I can only hold down so many social media accounts, honey. And I picked up this beautiful Mercury candle holder. Isn't that cute? I don't have to do anything to this, guys. Look, it already has the stones on there, the beads. You see like the beads up there? I don't have to do anything because it's regular price $9.99. Then, you know, if you're a part of the rewards program, you get 50% off. And then the happy days is when you get the 20 off of the whole total. So who can fight with 70% off? So I got 2 of them. And I was like, since I don't have anything, you know, so you got to kind of like think like this. Is it better for me to do a DIY or to buy it? So wisdom kicked in and said, buy it. So I bought it. And all I did, if you've been watching me for quite some time, I just cut some of these flowers that, you know, I normally use in all of my tutorials. I use them for fillers. I have a video link right up here somewhere. You'll see like an iCard up there. And I use these right here. And all I did was just cut the stems, and all of the stems are not perfect because I'm just going to let you know sometimes I just, you know, this is my home. I'm just going to place some stuff in there and just going to do it the way that I like it. So, you know, in Designing with Latisha, we design it the way that we want it. We like to be unique. We like to do things that's different. So let's just do this thing. All I did was just cut them, and they are $1. And you can use some floral foam if you would like to. I'm not. Well, actually, honestly, you guys, I pulled this out of like a arrangement that I did. And I said, oh, that'd be cute inside my vase, and just threw it in there. So, look, but still, it's cute though, isn't it? And I'm going to place the last one in. And I'm just going to use just these. And it doesn't take much. And I do apologize for the light. But the focus is on what you want, and that's how to do your floral arrangement. I'm going to back. And that is so pretty. That's gorgeous. And we're going to put it all together, all the centerpieces together. So we did 2 with the cylinder vases. We have these right here. If I add anything to it, like any onion grass or anything, you know, I insert it in the clip. But this is what we're doing thus far. And I just want to let you know and encourage you that you can do it. You can do a little simple centerpiece and it can still look gorgeous. So let's place it together and let's see how everything turns out. I already know it's going to turn out nice because it's in my house. Okay, so let's get that done.
Okay, friends, remember I told you if I do anything different, I was going to let you know. So I did add a rubber band on the stems in order to hold my floral in place. So that's what I did different. So we're just going to drop it inside of the candle holder. So now we're just going to place our flowers inside of our candle holder just like that. Fluff it out. It should look just like this. This is very beautiful. And let me just give you an overall look of everything. This is so gorgeous. I hope you guys like this. I just have a white pillow candle inside of one of the cylinder vases back there. This is just gorgeous, and it's beautiful for the springtime as well. I really like this, so I wanted to share this with you all because I really think that it's a beautiful centerpiece for a tablescape or any type of event you want to use it for. It's all according to your style. And here are the floral arrangements. I think this is lovely. So tell me what you guys think about everything. Here's a shot of it. Thank you guys for always tuning in with me. Blessings abundantly. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.